I have an Amazon Fire HD8 Kids tablet. This is the 2020 version, the 10th generation. I'm going to show you two ways how to perform a factory reset. Okay, the first way we'll do a soft reset where you have to go into the settings to do the factory reset, and the second way is a hard reset where we have to use the hard key to do the factory reset. So first way is let's do a soft reset. Okay, so first thing is you have to make sure that you are logged into the adult account, and then from there you want to go to settings. And then settings, you want to go ahead and just scroll down. Third to the bottom, it says device options right here. Let's tap on that. And then look down here, it says reset to factory default. So tap on that, put in your PIN, and let it go ahead and perform a factory reset. Okay, now the second way to do it is a hard reset, simply by using the hard keys up here. So first thing is go ahead and turn the tablet off. Just press and hold the power button and wait for the power off menu here to appear, and we're going to go ahead and tap power off. Now it's totally off. Now what we're going to do is we're going to press and hold two buttons. Okay, it's going to be the power button and the volume down. Okay, so you want to press and hold these two buttons at the same time and press and hold, and don't let go until we see the Amazon logo appear. So we'll do it together. Okay, power, volume. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Power, volume down. I'm still holding. Amazon logo. Now you can let go of both buttons, and this should boot us up into the Android recovery menu, as you can see here. Now if you want to go ahead and perform a factory reset, you want to go down where it says wipe data / factory reset. To move up or down, you can use the volume rockers up or down to move up or down. So just go to wipe data / factory reset, and to select it, what you want to do is press the power button. And this basically says, once you do this, this cannot be undone. Don't forget, with a factory reset, you're basically erasing everything on there. When the factory reset is done, it's going to be pretty much as if we bought this brand new and took it out of the box. In the beginning stage, you have to choose your language and then your Wi-Fi password. So I'm going to go ahead and go to yes. The volume rockers, I'm going to go down to highlight yes. Then I'm going to tap on the power button right here to select it. Now I'm going to go ahead and let it do its thing here. Okay, wipe. Or it says down here, data wipe is complete. Now it defaults back up to here. It highlights reboot system now, which is exactly what we want. So just press the power button. We're going to reboot the system now. And now what we're going to do is just wait a while, and it's going to perform a factory reset. This whole process will probably take between 3 to 5 minutes. So just be patient. It'll probably sit on this logo here for a while. And there you go. And now this screen here pops up, choosing your language. So we're at the very beginning stage here. That actually took me like 3 minutes. So there you go. Any questions or issues, just comment below. All right, good luck, guys.